Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to talk about building out campaigns to kick things off. I'm in an empty account. All I'm going to talk about here is building out things at the campaign level. It's relatively simple. Now, there are a couple of differences between types of accounts. You probably have accounts if you open up your business manager where you have this available to you, this feature I'll show, and then others where you don't. I don't know why that is or the rhyme or reason there. I think they've just updated certain pages. So this is where we set everything at the campaign level. We're going to go ahead and skip ad set, have that turned off. We want to always make sure to do that. We'll run into problems if we leave that open. And now all we want to do is build out our campaigns. You can do this a couple different ways, but typically the easiest way is to go based off your audience and then your goal. So for this first one, I'll do lookalike and traffic. Okay, traffic's already selected. I'm not going to split test. Always leave auction selected. And that's it. We don't need to publish it right now. I'll create again, go back. I'm going to type lookalike. Again, lookalike's the type of audience. We talk about that in a different section. Conversions, that's the money maker. That's the goal we typically will optimize for. Now, this is how accounts can get jacked up. One, but two are being updated, but again, they don't all have this feature. So typically you would just say lookalike conversions, and this right here wouldn't exist. This is relatively new, but again, if you have 5 ad accounts, you might have 3 that have this feature and 2 that don't. A lot of people pass this by because they're used to the old setup, save to draft, and they have this optimized for purchases, and this will screw up your algorithm. So you have got to make sure that you select custom conversions. In this account, I haven't used this account yet, it's just one that's empty. You would select the custom conversion, and again, that's another lesson, that you built for this campaign. It's very, very important that you do this and you do not miss that, okay? And so that was what I was talking about when there's 2 different ways. There's the way where this doesn't even exist, so you just set up conversions, save to draft, and if you have built out custom conversions and you have this access where you select this, select the custom conversion event. That could be a lead, it could be an application, that could be a purchase. Typically in this scenario it would be a lead, and we select that and save. Now I do not have that right now. I'll just say leads and save to draft. The next type of campaign we want to create is a lookalike campaign based off of post engagement. So we'll talk about things we can do with this later. Skip this, save to draft. We also want to go ahead and set up a couple different ones based off of specific interests. So I just type SI, do the first one, traffic, skip, save to draft. We'll set up SI conversions. Again, in this scenario, when I select conversions, depending on what your account looks like, either pretend that I didn't have to select anything here, or if I did, I went to custom conversions and grabbed the one that we needed. Skip, don't let that confuse you. I would do post engagements as well, and then you would also do your retargeting audiences. So we'll do retargeting. And then you would go on down and you would add retargeting conversions, retargeting traffic. So those 9 will probably serve the majority of your needs. There might be a couple others. You could do custom audience, which is when you upload a hard list. We'll call that a custom audience. You could call it your hard list or buyer list, something like that, and set up these goals as well. But that's how you set up campaigns in Facebook.